breakout DJ gives explosive interview. He was fortunate to survive a self-inflicted gunshot, living to tell the tale and reap the rewards of sudden fame. Jahshii celebrating with a bottle of bubbly and dropping a bombshell or two about life in the fast lane.
Grant spent DJ rolling in style and clutching a bottle of champagne, trophies of better days, finally, after since his early teens, knocking at a door usually slow to open and shutting really fast. Jahshii seeing himself as part of a new generation of DJs impatient for fame and fortune, and not always willing to play by the rules, riding a wave of so-called reality tunes and gun lyrics, strutting their stuff in YouTube videos. Social media their ticket to ride. No more industry gatekeepers and bossy producers calling all the shots. Just views, likes, streams, and an inferno of fiery emojis.
Tough days, but me never complain.
Yeah, we've been a try. We fail already still. I will try again.
When you say you are trying, what does trying bring to mind?
We've been a go studio, go competition. I will be running up that popcorn clash. I will never stop. Right now, we have project forward together.
You're talking about what age?
14 years of age.
And how old are you now?
Only.
I'm Jahshii, I'm come from Granspend. No, and I'm going to book on my pen.
Age a number many unwilling to share these days, or formative influences, and other names to listen to. So is it about the lyric that you found now? You actually have something to say, or what?
Of course. I say what the people them want to hear. Ask them.
What, they want to hear gun tunes?
No, they want to hear say, oh, I build up and beats, I go job. But differently from that, still if they violate, they want to hear say, boy, I was have to burn down and people have to run away. No. They say, Father God, Him create your time for you in no matter where you do, out of music or in a music. So me I do music and God create my time for me. No matter which song me sing when I'm my time, if me sing Boogie Yaga, it'll go work same way because of my time in a life.
That sounds reasonable to me.
Yes, man.
But you're using God and gun tunes in the same sentence.
Yeah, because song a song, music a music, same way I see it. I sing when I grow and see. I sing about me and my life. So take it how you want to take it.
It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, around there, getting to 2 o'clock, and you're having a drink. This is a life now of success.
No.
This is what success means.
Anthony, I remember say ER with the pan right now. Been a dream about this. If you look, you see the whole team. I celebrate right now.
And that's what I'm asking about.
Yeah, man, it's a joy for the right.
With success comes when you feel like doing something, you can do it because you have the means to enjoy it.
Yeah, when my son alright, and my mother alright, and my family too, then why not celebrate it?
And things have changed for your family, things have changed big time in a short period of time, or it's still a work in progress?
Of course, I drop a 5 series in 4 months. And my dream this, if you pop this sunroof in the 5 series, that you kill them out and make the bike wheelie. But Rajic there, Rajic, make your bike wheelie. No, back down, let's bike up a no. What you say?
Jahshii, part of what he calls First Nation.
It is a movement to create in a man. You see the art of the movement are some young youth who love music. The whole of we love music. All of my dog them are turn producer. All of them. Yeah. John Cope and Detroit I build the rhythm them. And then we get Skillland Music some rhythm. We get Alva some rhythm. We get Harry some rhythm. We get Shella some rhythm. Everybody I get rhythm. You see me? Top alone build rhythm them too. And Vice sang them, DS mix them too. And click shoot the video them. And the whole team I survive. And live pop star records too. If me tell you about records, you would stop tell you. Right now. Yeah, and I whole team that me I tell you, my family them.
Not sure if it was the Moet speaking, but a question about crime getting a particularly animated response from the DJ.
Crime can't stop. Me can't stop crime. You worse I can't stop crime. You hear me told you? See police them down a station. Worse. And them I create the crime.
How?
What you mean? You don't know corruption. A corruption cause crime. Corruption cause crime. Yeah.
How you get rid of the corruption?
Human beings corrupt, police are corrupt. Me tell all of my friend them say, yo, me no friend killer, but if my friend them really I try if he kill me, what you feel like me for do? Eh?
So if I...
No, me I go ask. Let me ask you.
Alright, go ahead.
Me tell my friend them when me grow with from marble and box chuck and pampas and nappy, say, if me find out say one of them I try if he kill me, me I go murder them. What you think me should have do? What you think me for do?
I don't think you should murder anybody.
Listen to me, Anthony. Human being a corruption. That's why me tell you say crime can't stop.
How close has crime come to you though? Has it touched your life personally?
I shot myself already. Yeah, I shot myself already, unfortunately.
Tell me that story.
I grow and I see a lot of things. And as a youth, your mind of a firm. Circumstances, I hold gun in my hand and select it. And one day in my head and it shoot me in my foot. Yeah, and my brother forgive me and school me. And bring my go doctor every day and dress it. You see me? From that, I just check if one in the head. You have to stay protected enough, fam. Yeah, you have to stay protected. You have a license gun?
No.
You have a security?
No.
You're not afraid?
No.
You have millions?
No.
I give you millions and you see how you move different.
How you stay protected?
Me stay protected with police, the master of corruption. So if you try to get corrupt around me, them show you what time it is.
You think there's anything you said and maybe a little bit under the influence of the alcohol that you might regret later when this interview airs?
No, sir. No time at all.
No, I'm me I start from zero. No, my bank account zero.
The music that sold well in the 90s versus now strikes another nerve. First Nation ruling the charts in Jamaica, but Shabba, Sean and Shaggy, Jamaica's international stars. Then and now. Can this current generation do it like the old guys did it?
Oh yeah, talk about. Skeng and 450 and Silk Boss and me.
Jahshii.
Yeah, and Yaksta, DNA again, that's all. Brother.
You covered a lot of
Nation
ground,
Boss, brother.
You covered a lot of
brother,
ground.
them man, they are powerful youth. You don't have to question that. That question they have to ask. You don't have to ask the question about that. If you, Anthony Miller, really love music, like me think, you would have said, them man, they are going to take music to a way different level. Them just need exposure, brother. So you see, Shabba ranks them, brother, and the whole of them name they way for call, for give them man the collaboration. Figure, expose them to the world with a music farm. Not that exposing, but music farm. Once them man they give them man they afraid, forget the exposure. Yes, Bounty Killer would have give me a collaboration. No, them man they are the street, brother. The rest of them where you talk about where they live a foreign. You don't need to talk about them, brother. Talk about we know. Sleepless nights bring them bright days, yeah. Thank you, Father God, my life changed.
Jahshii, the big name right now here in Grand Spend.
Whoa.
Try telling his brother Harry Hype or his mom, for whom it's business as usual.
I have to cook for my son as him forward a Sunday daytime. Yeah, I have to cook for my son, mashed potato and them thing there. But my mother gonna sell soup because she don't want to stop. Yeah.
So your mother is still selling soup?
Yeah, because she don't want to stop.
Where does she sell soup?
Right at we yard front there, so. 23 Sharpboard Road.
How is your mommy coping with your fame?
My mother smiles when she see me every time. I just feel loved from my mother every time. My relationship built with my mother from me a baby, you know. And music nah nothing, nah fame nah nothing to do with my mother. My mother. Mommy.
Jahshii's good fortune a boost for the community. Always someone in need or next in line.
So once I make everybody happy, then in myself, me, I go happy. Once me make everybody happy. So if we have 100,000 and 100 that we there, we are going to share it 100. Me might not left with none, but everybody happy. I know say tomorrow me I go do one dub, and me I go have some. Them now go link me tomorrow, because then we get 1,000 yesterday. So probably the next day when we get the next few bills. And my dream this, to pop the sunroof in the 5 Series, watch the killers them out and make the bike wheelie. Thank God say we make it out, what a nice feeling. To all life sweet me, I call it diabetes, me tell you time meaning. Nobody tell me nothing, me no like secret. They on a secret vacation with 9 frequent. A BMWs park 2 side, Jahshii have Ivana drive, and a series of 5. A Jahshii go produce that one.
I tell you nothing never come free. Friday I'm a nick up, self and I check cash, me no need you. Go get the cheese in myself and my team, nobody at all.